If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. Now I'm really actually so pissed off that no one is actually talking about all these things. I'm on Twitter, I'm looking at Twitter, so many people are actually on Twitter, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, why are people so dumb on Twitter? Why are people following lies of 90% of the people out there? The people are spreading so bad lies. No one on the media, I mean, this is so manipulated and no one even knows exactly what to do right over there. And I want to talk, why am I so pissed off with this one right now? Because if things are trying to reverse to the upside, why are you stopping and spreading false rumor that things are not going to reverse? I'm a person who actually said that Bitcoin wants to go down to $8,000, but it's actually not looking to go down to $8,000, maybe anymore. Time will tell. But as far as I see other different situations, things are trying to push to the downside. People are saying that, oh, this is just a little bit of a pump and then it's going to go down. You're breaking resistances. Flip the switch. Simple. Now, back into the charts, let's talk about how many things are there that shows a reversal is happening. Altcoins are breaking to the downside. Bull crosses are being made on so many altcoins out there. Why are people so dumb on Twitter? Why are people so dumb? Oh my gosh, this is so stupid of people. Bringing in the EMAs as well. Bitcoin already has a bull cross right down there. Look at this bull cross. That is your bull cross for Bitcoin right now, okay? So without wasting your time, we do know that Bitcoin is actually looking to push to the upside. Today's Sunday, and somehow I do hope Bitcoin makes it up to 25,657. If I dive into the weekly time frame, we already have the weekly 55 EMA right on at that particular price level. Now, how you close today for Bitcoin will matter a lot, and I wish Bitcoin actually comes up to 24,000 and close near 24,600, and we complete that white soldiers, whatever these three white soldiers actually going to be. And that's all for Bitcoin right now. You already know that. What you have to know, the second thing you have to know, is that SPX, I've been looking at SPX for the first time, and it actually broke the downtrend. And here we are. Okay, let me tell you how many things are there that tells me Bitcoin bottom could even be in, while other people are actually trying to pick the bottom. We can see Bitcoin start to shoot to the upside. All right, let's talk about this one, okay? Boom. What is this? What do you see? Huh? What do you see about that? All right, now I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to actually tell Google, tell my descending broadening wedge, okay? Here we go. All right, here we go. Let's actually do trading 101. Because follow the charts, don't follow all that bullshit that people tell you out there. Just follow the damn charts, okay? This is what you're looking for, and this is known as descending broadening wedge, okay? Lower lows, lower high, higher lows, actually, whatever. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Isn't this what you have for SPX right now? Isn't this just a picture perfect descending broadening wedge? And what do you do after that? When you break out, you backtest, you can backtest and backtest, but the technical target is where you started the wedge, which is actually up right over there. 4733 is your technical target. Now, speaking of 4733, $700 move of SPX, which is actually 16% move of SPX, can even make Bitcoin go all the way back to the all-time high. And speaking of the all-time high, and speaking of patterns, because I trade patterns, and right now you do even have a technical target right here. If you look at this particular resistance that you're breaking out of, the first target you're looking for is from the top to the bottom right over here, and you're looking for SPX to basically move up to nearly 4694 already. Okay, this is going to help Bitcoin to actually go to the upside. Speaking of Bitcoin, let's go back to the Bitcoin stupid chart itself. And if you look at Bitcoin, I've told you before that number one, you have descending broadening wedge right on that SPX, right? And now you have this Bitcoin on the weekly. What do you have right there? Falling wedge? Picture perfect falling wedge. Where is Bitcoin on based on the RSI looking to push? Bitcoin on the RSI has a technical target back to where it started, okay? This is simple RSI strategy. Overbought right over here, oversold right over there, falling wedge technical target is right above at 101. Amazing. this is looking for the all-time high. I can still not tell you it's going to go back to the all-time high, but at least on the RSI, I'm talking about the RSI. I'm not talking about the prices. I'm talking about this RSI actually. You can have RSI coming up to to the highest it has been, and you can still see Bitcoin trading around $45,000. That doesn't matter. But what matters is that the RSI shows that Bitcoin wants to continue to push to the upside. You have a bull cross. Things are changing in the market. I don't know why people are so dumb, but I'm pissed off, really. I'm pissed off. That's it. I don't want to do this anymore. Bye. Allah Hafiz.